Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished dignitaries, respected invitees, a very warm welcome everyone. Today, Thursday, the 11th December 2025, at the City Convention Center, Imphal, the government of Manipur is organizing a civic reception of the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmuji. Also, the Honorable President of India will lay foundation stones and inaugurate various development projects in the state. This day shall indeed be aged in golden letters in the history of our state. Amukahana miyamda nolupchari hozik ngihakki matungda Honorable President of India pamasida yaubirakani. Pamasida hek yaubirakpaga holasida Changsin birakpa matamda lingbirakliba khwai khibikna isai sagi famam langdagi lepkhat piraga khubak khubinabasu mayamda request taujari loinana Honorable President na stage mathakta kakhalakpa matamda national anthem khongani national anthem khongba matamda su mayamna lepaga dumak leibinaba lingbidanabasu nolupchari loinana wafam makhaka thamjage ngasigi chathajagadoriba program asi hek haukiba taragadi mayamna isa isagi famam langda lengdana adumak phamaga leibinaba request taujari. Thank you. Hojik ngahaki matungda Honorable President of India mafam asida yaubirak hek yaubirakpaga program asi chathajagani thagatchari.
Hello.
ना दे दिल परदेसी नू तेन नित दा रोना पै
Yeah, sound set. Okay, so where is the position of the president, sir?
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯎꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯗꯤꯐꯔꯦꯟ ꯀꯝꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ Honorable President of India ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯎꯔꯤ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ traditional way of welcoming the guests ꯃꯣꯏꯕꯨꯡ ꯈꯣꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯔꯥꯝ ꯅꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ traditional ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥꯒꯤ ground floorꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ system ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯊꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯎꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ we can see what's going on outside ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ already reception team all set ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ Honorable President of India ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯟꯖꯟ ꯍꯟꯖꯟ 하이나 waraubiroy hek lakpaga mayam lepkhatpinaba khubak khubinaba amukka nolupchari loina national anthem khongu matamda su mayamna lepkhatpiraga lengdana leibinaba su mayamda nolupchari. Thank you. And also I request everyone to kindly put your mobile phone on vibration mode so as not to interrupt within the function. Thank you.
It's very big, sir. It's very big to carry out here.
ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯅꯤ. This is the floor and sir ꯇꯥꯏꯃꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ. ꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ. ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ? ꯐꯝꯃ ꯂꯩꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ?
Start from here when the president entry. I just sing warm welcome, and then followed by
Keep it simple, ma'am. Very simple.
only this part I'm keeping when the president comes.
They will remain standing.
They will remain
Then
standing.
national anthem.
National anthem already here is the welcome speech by the honorable governor, followed by felicitation of that too. Then there will be pressing of button for inauguration,
Okay.
opening of flag, and then thanking the president.
No thanks to thanks, President. No thanks. After speech, no thanks.
Okay.
Please cut
Okay,
it.
okay, I'll got it. A speech by the president, and then I will request the governor to escort down for the
Okay.
cultural program.
Okay, from where she will go?
माइक हेलो हेलो ओके ठीक है।
Honorable President of India, Famasida Yogbirakli, Hosik ground floor dagi, Kwai escalator da Kakat Birakli. Distinguished dignitaries, invitees, the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmuji has arrived with immense respect and honor on this momentous occasion. We extend heartiest welcome to Manipur. Let us all rise to welcome the Honorable President with a round of applause. Please, everyone, please rise. यहाँ उपस्थित सभी सम्मानित अतिथिगण, आमंत्रित अतिथिगण, अब भारत की माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी आ गए हैं। इस खास मौके पर आपको सम्मान और आदर के साथ मणिपुर में तहे दिल से स्वागत करती है। Please rise for the national anthem. खुरुमजरी, नमस्कार। भारत के माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी आपको मणिपुर के लोग तहे दिल से स्वागत करती है। आज 11 दिसंबर 2025 के इस महत्वपूर्ण अवसर पर हम भारत के माननीय राष्ट्रपति का मणिपुर पर हार्दिक स्वागत करती है। आपका यह आगमन हमारे लिए अत्यंत सम्मान और गौरव की बात है। आपकी उपस्थिति से यह कार्यक्रम और भी गरिमामय हो गए है। मणिपुर की जनता की ओर से मैं आपके हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करती है और आपको सदार स्वागत करती है। अब मैं मणिपुर के माननीय राज्यपाल श्री अजय कुमार भल्ला जी से स्वागत भाषण प्रस्तुत के लिए अनुरोध करती हूँ।
भारत की माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदया श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी, honorable members of Manipur Legislative Assembly, distinguished dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you. Khurram Jari. It's my proud privilege to welcome Honorable President of India to Manipur, a land where history, harmony and heritage converge. Nestled amidst verdant hills and fertile valleys, Manipur is a state of rich cultural diversity and home to indigenous communities who have preserved their traditions, customs, and art forms through generations. Our tribal communities, with women as pillars of leadership and social cohesion, have played a vital role in shaping Manipur's inclusive social fabric. The rhythmic grace of Manipuri dance, the legacy of polo as an indigenous sport, and the spirit of unity in diversity reflect the soul of this ancient land. Blessed with breathtaking landscapes, pristine rivers, and Loktak Lake, the only floating national park in the world, Manipur is a sanctuary of rich flora and fauna. Above all, it's the resilience and dignity of our people that define the enduring beauty of Manipur, and it is a great honor to welcome Honorable President of India to this sacred land. Madam, your gracious presence among us today is a profound source of inspiration to the people of Manipur. We are deeply honored and grateful that you have taken time to be with us on this significant occasion, which reflects the close bond between the state and the highest office of our republic. In recent times, the state has faced unprecedented challenges, yet even in moments of adversity, the people of Manipur have demonstrated remarkable resilience, patience, and unity, reaffirming their faith in democratic values and peaceful coexistence. I wish to assure you, Madam, that Government of Manipur is working tirelessly to restore complete peace and normalcy across the state. Our efforts are firmly focused on healing, reconciliation, and confidence building, so that every citizen may live with dignity, security, and renewed hope for the future. During last 8 years, the state government, in collaboration with central government, has taken up several landmark projects in Manipur. These projects have improved the lives of people. Besides the flagship programs of Government of India like Manrega for livelihood, PMGSY for rural roads, PMJ, PM Kisan and PMKVY for farmers welfare, PM Awas for rural and urban housing, PM Divine and PM Abhim for healthcare, and Jal Jeevan Mission for water supply. The state has taken several other important projects too. These projects, some of these, state-funded health protection programs and pension scheme for weaker sections, completion of civil secretariat and police headquarters, women market infrastructure across hills and valleys, new Manipur Bhavan of Dwarka, Delhi, helicopter service to connect remote parts of the state, rural electrification, roads and highways connecting all parts of the state, new medical college at Churachandpur, 3 new nursing colleges at Thobal, Imphal and Churachandpur. Madam, today's event, wherein Honorable President is inaugurating and laying the foundation stones for several important development projects, marks a significant milestone in our collective journey towards progress. These initiatives symbolize the unwavering commitment of both the central and state governments to usher in transformative infrastructure, improved connectivity, and enhanced public services, thereby improving the quality of life of our people. The path of Manipur's prosperity lies in sustained peace and inclusive development. I am confident that with the continued guidance and support of the Government of India and with the cooperation and goodwill of our people, Manipur will overcome all challenges and move steadily towards a future defined by growth, harmony, and opportunity for all. Once again, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable President of India for gracing this august gathering with her esteemed presence. I also convey my warm greetings and welcome to all distinguished dignitaries and invitees present here today. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
We extend heartiest thanks to the Honorable Governor. May I now have the honor and privilege to invite the Honorable Governor of Manipur, Sri Ajay Kumar Balaji, to kindly do the honor of felicitating the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji. Showing immense respect and honor, the Honorable Governor of Manipur, Sri Ajay Kumar Balaji, is presenting the Moirang Fijil Inafi, a distinguished traditional textile of Manipur known for refined craftsmanship, cultural symbolism, and deep historical lineage. Next, presenting the painting of Sagol Kangjai, the traditional polo, the Manipuri form of polo, capturing the dynamic and cultural significant sport that originated in Manipur. The painting highlights not only the athletic skills involved, but also the deep historical roots of the game, which is the origin of modern polo. Thank you for doing the honor, sir. With immense gratitude, we now request the Honorable President of India to kindly press the button for unveiling the plaque to mark the laying of foundation stone and inauguration of projects. A big round of applause, everyone. Foundation stone is being laid for 14 projects amounting to rupees 1,180 crores. Also, a total of 12 projects is being inaugurated amounting to rupees 207 crores. A sincere gratitude to the Honorable President of India for doing this honor. With the completion of the laying of foundation stone and inauguration of projects by the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji, we will now present short film on the projects.
Manipur, a land of grace and strength. Today, with the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu gracing this land, Manipur begins a new chapter of peace, progress and unity. Education is the foundation of a prosperous society. In Imphal and neighbouring districts, 5 girls' hostels and 2 boys' hostels built at 20 crore rupees along with education infrastructure in 2 districts at 6 crore rupees. Further, the new boys and girls hostels at the Sarita Boxing Academy will help nurture young sporting talent. Health infrastructure across 6 districts in Manipur has been upgraded, bringing essential services closer to communities. Access to clean drinking water expands through 15 water supply schemes, constructed and upgraded across 4 districts with an investment of 100 crore rupees. Reliable electricity for households and industries is ensured with the new 132-33 kV substation at Gamfazol, built at a cost of 28 crore rupees. The Tangkhul Headman's Guest House at Ukhrul preserves traditional institutions while supporting dignified hospitality. In Imphal, a new administrative cum training building at the Tribal Research Institute will strengthen research and tribal welfare initiatives. Additionally, the Hill Tribal Chiefs Guest House at Palace Compound, Imphal East, built at 6.5 crore rupees, further enhances tribal administrative infrastructure. New infrastructure for the state police in Imphal and Ukhrul will strengthen the security infrastructure. Women's entrepreneurship receives a major boost with the construction of 4 new EMA markets at a cost of 17 crore rupees, supporting thousands of women vendors. To further strengthen healthcare, the foundation for major health infrastructure across 5 districts with a transformative investment of more than 60 crore rupees has been laid. Power supply across Manipur is set for a major leap. 6 large power sector development projects worth about 340 crore rupees will be implemented, expanding the capacity. Solar lighting systems worth 48 crore rupees will illuminate public spaces across the state, promoting environmental sustainability. New water supply schemes across 5 districts in the state, costing 42 crore rupees, will enhance access to safe drinking water. Urban water management will improve through the development of the Irong Nala water body at 14 crore rupees. Connectivity will improve through road projects across public service delivery. Infrastructure creation for district administration in 7 new districts will be developed at a cost of more than 140 crore rupees, strengthening grassroots governance in the state. Infrastructure creation for Manipur Police at both state and district levels, amounting to 85 crore rupees, will significantly strengthen law enforcement capability and improve emergency response. To promote traditional industries, an incubation center for handloom and handicrafts will be established across 3 districts of Manipur, supporting thousands of artisans. Tourism infrastructure will rise with the development of Shirui Heritage Village and Bakshi Ground at Ukrul, costing 65 crore rupees, and eco-tourism projects in 2 districts at 8 crore rupees. Sports infrastructure will expand through new complexes in 3 districts worth about 35 crore rupees, nurturing young athletes across Manipur. These projects and programs reflect the aspirations of the people of Manipur and the nation's commitment to inclusive and lasting development. As the Honorable President of India inaugurates new infrastructure and lays the foundation for future growth, Manipur moves forward with renewed confidence, unity and hope. Together, the hills and the valley rise towards peace, prosperity and progress.
अब मैं माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी से निवेदन करती हूं कि आप सभा को संबोधित करें।
Governor of Manipur, Sri Ajay Kumar Balaji, distinguished guest, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, Kurum Jari. I am delighted to visit Manipur and participate in this reception organized by Manipur people. I am deeply touched by the warmth and affection with which I have been welcomed. Manipur is a land of resilience, courage, and extraordinary culture richness. Over generations, its people have enriched the nation by contributing immensely to diverse areas, including sports, the armed forces, art and culture, and public service. Today, I am pleased to have inaugurated a number of important projects that will further improve the quality of life of the people of Manipur. These projects in diverse areas of tribal development, agriculture, infrastructure, electricity, drinking water, education, health and sports reflect our commitment to building a more modern and inclusive Manipur. The projects for which foundation laying has been done today cover a wide range of areas like infrastructure, handloom and handicrafts, tourism, electricity, drinking water, security and administration, health and sports. These sports projects will generate employment, improve infrastructure and accelerate economic activity. They reflect government's commitment to inclusive development and empowerment of the people of Manipur. Over the past several years, many initiatives taken by the Government of India for connectivity, health, infrastructure, education and rural development have brought tangible improvements to people's lives. I am aware of the pain that the people of Manipur have gone through following the unfortunate violence. I want to assure you that taking care of the concerns of the people of Manipur is highest priority for us. My government stands with every affected family. The Union government remains fully committed to strengthening harmony, ensuring security, and supporting Manipur in its journey towards stability and prosperity. The government is also committed to promote equitable development across the state and will ensure that the fruits of development and progress reach each and every corner of the state. Manipur has shown remarkable improvement on several indicators of development. This has been made possible due to close cooperation between union and state governments, and most importantly by the hard work of the people of Manipur. Later today, I will be interacting with internally displaced persons here in Imphal. Manipur is the gateway to India's vibrant engagement with Southeast area. Its youth, culture, and natural beauty make it a state with unlimited potential. Manipur is also known for its self-empowerment and women empowerment. 2 days ago, I had the privilege of honoring 4 women from Manipur among winners from across the country in the National Handicrafts Award ceremony. The historic Nipulal of women's war were waged twice during the early decades of the 20th century by the brave women of Manipur. They succeeded in making the colonial and feudal powers to accept their fair demands. Tomorrow morning, I will have the good fortune of paying floral tributes to the great women at the Nupilal Memorial Complex. I salute those brave women warriors of Manipur. They inspire every Indian. The flame of national pride gets brighter, and Moirang, just a little distance away from here, where heroic soldiers of Azad Hind Fauj hoisted the Indian flag in 1944. In the honor of the brave hearts of Manipur, Mount Harit in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands has been named as Mount Manipur. We are assembled at the place throbbing with glorious chapters of our history. Ladies and gentlemen, nature has endowed Manipur with exceptional gifts. I have been told that Loktok Lake is the largest freshwater lake in the northeast. It has the only floating national park not just in India but on the entire planet. The valley and the hills of Manipur has unrivaled natural beauty. The interesting game of polo originated in Manipur. I watched a polo exhibition match earlier today. I was impressed to see the women of Manipur excelling in this sport, demanding highest level of speed, strength, and skills. Manipur is known for its excellence in various sports and games. The people of Manipur are talented and hardworking. I am sure that the people from the valley and the hills will remain together with renewed harmony and take the state to great heights of prosperity and happiness. I urge the people of Manipur to continue supporting measures for harmony and development. Let us together strengthen Manipur as a state where every child feels safe, every woman feels empowered, every community feels included, and every citizen moves ahead towards a bright future. Thank you. Thankchuri. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.
Now I would like to humbly request the Honorable Governor of Manipur, Sri Ajit Kumar Bhallaji, to kindly escort the Honorable President and take the specially arranged seat to allow us to commence the cultural program. Next we have cultural program. We will now be presenting a choreographic presentation performed by the artist of Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy, Imphal. This presentation shows that despite differences in culture, reason, religion, ethnicity, or beliefs, individuals can come together to form a society that is united and can make a nation vibrant. All the dance forms blend and integrate together to show the concept of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, emphasizing the harmonious coexistence of different individuals and groups, celebrating their unique qualities and beauty of unity in diversity of Bharat. Now presenting different dance forms.
त्रिनेत्रम् चतुर्भुजम् शान्तम् रक्तवर्णम् स्मिताननम् अन्ये ढमरुगम् तथा शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो शम्भो स्वयम्भो
నల్లగొండ నాగమల్లిని నీకు నాజుకంత तुमच्या गुड्डा
नहीं जा रही हूँ एक 5-day long trip पर. And these are my travel essentials. My trusty tripod. This thing holds it together like you could never. My vision board has been coming to life thanks to this guy, the Digitech Go Cam. This cutie helped me capture those Muska movements. The Digitech LED light for that perfect glow up. And of course, my mic. Cause me likes my audio crisp.
ओ हेलो, और कपड़े गेटवे हो या इंस्टा टेक हो, डिजिटेक सबके लिए.
Dim da na 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 da na dere na dim da na na da na dere na dim da na na da na dere dim. Tana dere da da re da ni dim tana tana dere na da da re da ni tana dere na da da re da ni tana dere na da da re da ni tana dere na dim tana tana dere na dim tana tana dere na dim.
रागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा राग है, अनोखा राग है। भारत के इस एक तारे पे गूंजे है जो जो रागिनी, सब मिल गई एक धुन बनी।
We shall all rise for the national anthem. I request the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji, and Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalaji, to kindly grace the stage for a group photo session along with the artists of the cultural program. All are requested to kindly remain seated. The program ends here. हम भारत की माननीय राष्ट्रपति हमारे गणमान्य लोगों और इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने में हमारे सभी सहयोगी लोगों के प्रति नदल से हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त करती हूं। आप सभी के उपस्थिति के लिए धन्यवाद। थगचरी, जय हिंद।